guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are, whoa, they're red and black. They have hard pieces on them. What are these? These are motorcycle gloves. And what they do is they protect the rider if they fall down, and it helps them grip the handlebars better. Yeah. Especially in the rain, so their hands don't slide off, because you don't want that. Today we're gonna learn about numbers 0 through 20 on a train track. How do we do that? I'll show you. We have this little guy right here. He's blue, he's a little teddy, and he's steering the train, but he doesn't have any train. It's just him. Where's the rest of the train? Well, let's start. We're gonna start with 0, and it's pink and yellow, and we're gonna put them right there, and they connect by using a magnet. What's after 0 is 1, and it's red and blue, kind of like my gloves, but just red. After 1 is 2, and this 2 is purple and green. Choo-choo! All right, after 2 comes 3. 3 is yellow and red, and it goes right after the 2. Moving right along, number 4, pink and green. Goes right after the 3. Choo-choo! All right, what's next? 5. 5 is blue and yellow. Goes right after the 4. After the 5, it comes 6. Blue and red. Choo-choo. Choo-choo-choo-choo-choo. All right, making way. After 6 comes 7, purple and green. All right, I'll put that right there. After 7 comes 8. 8 is red and yellow. All right, woo, that's a big train. After 8 is this green and pink 9. Look at that. It's gonna go right behind the 8. Choo-choo. All right, let's move the train a little bit so we can get the other guys. Come on, guys, make some room. Choo-choo. All right, what we have is double digit time. 10. 1, 0, pink and yellow. All right, now it's double digits. So what that means is, instead of a single digit with just one number, now they're going to have 2 numbers. A 1 and a 1 make 11, and this 11 is brown and blue. All right, after the 11 comes 12, green and purple. Choo-choo. After 12 comes 13, yellow and orange. There you go. All right, we gotta make some room, guys. Choo-choo. Look how big the train's getting. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's going over the bridge. After 13 comes 14. 1 and a 4, pink and green. All right. What comes after 14 is 15. 1 and 5, yellow and... Is that red? It is red. It looked like orange for a second. After 15 is 16. A 1 and a 6. Whoa. And this one is bright yellowish green and purple. right. Come on, train, we gotta make some room. Oh no, come on. No, not the trees. Oh! Gotta make some room here. There you go, back on the tracks. All right. This is a big train now. After the 16 comes, can you guess it? That's right, 17, a 1 and a 7. And he is brown and blue. After 17 comes 18, a 1 and an 8. Look at that. And this one's purple and green. Next is 19, 1 and a 9, red and blue. Those are pretty colors, red and blue. And last but not least, are you ready? It's number 20! 2 and 0, pink and green. And he's gonna go right, she's gonna go right there. Look at that. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, good job, guys. I'm glad you guys could make this awesome episode with me. And I'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.